Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I show you how to make a social media post in 2 minutes. First step, double tap on rectangle tools for fit frame on page. Now take a smaller copy of rectangle. Now take test tools, type text in capital letters. Take an extra bold font. I used Poppin's Extra Bold. You can download it, link mentioned in description. Alling text with bottom rectangle. Allingment top center of box. Press Ctrl+I for import image. Take eyedropper tools and pick green color from the image and fill in bottom box. Take drop shadow tools, apply shadow on images. Take ellipse tools and make a circle, fill color will be none, and outline will be 2.5 point. Change outline color to golden. Pick golden color from the image. Import pistachio PNG images and apply shadow according to your choice. Copy PNG images 3 times and place according to your post. Now import call and website icon in bottom of the post. Take text tools, type your contact no and website. text tools. Type main text like message or heading. Take two different font, one running font and one normal font. It's looking good. Shift text on center of the post. Take logo and shift right top side of the post.